Russ McCaskey, thanks for joining us. Disturbing testimony today in the trial of a man accused of beating his stepdaughter to death, and only our cameras were there as accused murderer Marcus Mitchell entered the courtroom today. 2 News reporter Brandon Richard was in the courtroom all day long. He joins us now live from Bartlesville with the newest information. Brandon?
In some ways, it appeared that the Oklahoma Medical Examiner's office was on trial because much of the testimony today focused on the autopsy conducted on the toddler. A very calm and quiet Marcus Mitchell was escorted into the courtroom today. Mitchell facing first-degree murder, child neglect, and drug charges. Prosecutors say he beat his 15-month-old stepdaughter to death in February of 2012 at this home in Dewey. Court records show Mitchell admitted to hitting the little girl. His attorney says he didn't mean to kill her, that it was an accident. To that point, the defense challenged the validity of the medical examiner's report. 2 employees who worked on that report were fired shortly after completing the autopsy. But the state's chief medical examiner says they were fired for reasons unrelated to this case and stands by their report, which says the child died from blunt force trauma to the chest. Late this afternoon, the prosecution rested its case. Both sides will make their closing arguments tomorrow morning at 10. Live in Bartlesville, Brandon Richard, 2 News works for you.
Brandon, thanks. Now, Mitchell's girlfriend, the little girl's mother, pleaded guilty to child abuse last week, and Mitchell's own mother, who lived at the house, is expected to enter a plea on February the 6th.